Common English adjectives are some of the most powerful words you can learn because they help you clearly describe people, things, situations, and feelings in everyday life, and without them your English sounds flat, incomplete, and sometimes confusing, because adjectives are what add color and meaning to your sentences. For example, when you say, I had a day, it feels empty. But when you say, I had a busy day or I had a great day, the listener instantly understands your experience. Which is why mastering common English adjectives is essential for speaking confident and natural English. Many learners focus only on nouns and verbs, but native speakers rely heavily on adjectives to express opinions, emotions, and judgments, and that is exactly what makes their English sound fluent and expressive. Let's start with adjectives that describe quality and opinion, because these are used the most in daily conversation. Words like good, bad, great, excellent, terrible, and amazing appear in almost every English interaction. The word good is extremely flexible and can describe behavior, performance, food, people, or experiences. Such as she did a good job, this is good food, or he is a good person. The other hand, bad does not only mean something evil, but can also mean poor quality, unpleasant, or disappointing. Like I had a bad experience, or this phone has a bad camera. Stronger adjectives like excellent and terrible help you sound more natural and expressive. Because native speakers prefer variety, instead of repeating the same basic words again and again. 2. Another very important group of adjectives describes size and quantity, such as big, small, large, tiny, huge, and massive. These words help you give clear mental images to the listener. Saying I live in a big house gives basic information, but saying I live in a huge house creates a much stronger picture. Similarly, small and tiny both describe size, but tiny emphasizes something extremely small, shows precision and confidence in your English, and it makes your speech sound more natural instead of robotic or textbook-like. Adjectives that describe difficulty and ease are also very common in daily English. Words like easy, hard, difficult, simple, and complicated are used when talking about tasks, problems, or learning experiences. 4. Example, English grammar is difficult, sounds honest and natural. While this lesson is easy to understand, gives positive feedback. Native speakers often choose hard instead of difficult in casual conversation. Such as this exam was really hard, so learning these natural preferences helps you sound more fluent and relaxed when speaking. Now, let's talk about adjectives related to feelings and emotions, because these words allow you to express yourself clearly and connect emotionally with others. Words like happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, nervous, and relaxed are essential in daily life. Instead of saying I feel good, you can say I feel happy or I feel relaxed, which is more specific and natural. Likewise, saying I am tired is far more common than long explanations. Emotional adjectives are especially important in conversations because they help people understand your mood without needing extra details. Adjectives that describe appearance are also extremely useful, especially when talking about people, clothes, or objects. Words like beautiful, handsome, ugly, clean, dirty, modern, and old are commonly used. For example, she is wearing a beautiful dress, or this place looks clean and modern. These adjectives are often paired with opinions, which is why they are so common in daily English. However, it's important to use them respectfully, especially when describing people, because tone and context matter a lot in English communication. Another powerful category includes adjectives related to speed and time, such as fast, slow, quick, late, early, and busy. These words are used constantly when talking about schedules, work, or daily routines. Saying, I had a busy day, instantly explains a lot without extra detail. Similarly, the internet is slow today, or he is always late, are phrases you will hear again and again in real English conversations. Learning these adjectives helps you participate naturally in everyday discussions. Adjectives that describe importance and value also play a big role in English. Words like important, necessary, useful, valuable, and useless help you express opinions clearly. For example, English is an important language, or this information is very useful. Native speakers often emphasize these adjectives using words like very, really, or extremely. such as "this is extremely important," which adds strength and emotion to the sentence. One common mistake English learners make is overusing the same adjective again and again, especially words like good, bad, and nice. While these words are correct, using them too often makes your English sound limited. Native speakers prefer variety, so instead of always saying nice, you can say pleasant, kind, friendly, or enjoyable, depending on the situation. Expanding your adjective vocabulary instantly improves your speaking and makes you sound more confident and educated. The key to mastering common English adjectives is not memorizing long lists, but understanding how they are used in real sentences. When you hear native speakers, notice how adjectives come before nouns, how they are combined with adverbs, and how tone changes meaning. Practice using adjectives in simple daily sentences like describing your day, your work, your feelings, or your surroundings. The more you use them, the more natural they become. In the end, common English adjectives are not just words. They are tools that help you express thoughts clearly, share emotions, and connect with people. If you focus on using the right adjective at the right time, your English will instantly sound more fluent, confident, and natural. This is why learning common English adjectives is one of the smartest steps you can take on your journey to speaking better English. Because once you master them, everything you say becomes clearer, stronger, and more meaningful.